All right. I'm going to introduce a new sound to you. This is, we know that A says A and A says A, but it can also say aw, like aw and ball. Ball. Can you say the word ball? Can you think of some, like I am going to play with a ball. Ball. All right. Let's see. Can you think of some words that you hear the aw and ball sound in? What's some words that might rhyme with ball? Tall. Tall. Very good. Those are some words. All right. And so, I'm going to give you a ball. And if you hear the all, like in ball sound, I want you to toss the ball to me. Are you ready? Ball. Woo. All right. Cat. All right. Fall. Woo. All right. Shoe. Tall. There you go. We'll do one more. Tall. Okay. You got it? Tall. Ooh. All right. Good job. All right. So now we're going to write the letter that makes the all sound in the sand. So what letter would that be? Oh. A. Very good. Fingers up. All. Ready? Right. And then underline it. All. Good. Do it again. Fingers up. Go. All. Good. One more time. Son. All right. No. Oh. All right. All right. Okay. All right. Now we're going to write the words that we hear. We're going to dictate some words. Pencil up. Pounder ready. All right. We're going to dictate some words. Get your pencil up. Pounder ready. Ready. The word is call. All right. Write it out. Good. I like the way you doubled that. Next word. Pencil up. Pounder ready. Fall. Good. Very good. All right, pencil up, pounder ready. Haul. All right, very good. One more. Mall. Good. And then here are your words. Look, check yourself. All, fall, all, mall. Yep, that's a bigger one. Very good. Oh, that's a big one. All right, next we're going to dictate some sentences. So remember, I'm going to read them twice. I'm going to say them twice. Woo, bless you. I'm going to say them twice, and then you're going to pound them. Okay. I'm going to say it twice. First sentence. Do not let that small child fall. Do not let that small child fall. Pounder ready? Do not let that small child fall. All right, write it. Child and child. Go ahead. Do your best. Do not let that small child very good. Right here it is. Do not let. Oh, you read it. Do not let that small child fall. Very good. All right, ready for the next one? This is the last one. Pencil up, pounder ready. Did you call all the bald men? Did you call all the bald men? Right. Ready? Did you call all the bald men? Bald? Good. I like that question mark. All right, here's your sentence. Read it. Very good.